Hi everybody. Previously you have learned about angular bisector. So today, right now we're going to do perpendicular bisector. Okay. So what is perpendicular in the first place? Perpendicular bisector actually it means that it will be a 90 degree. Angular bisector, like previously, if you take a look, it will be like in between two lines, right? But perpendicular bisector basically means from a single line I get the 90 degree. Okay, so it must be 90 degree. Okay, so I've already uploaded some links. Okay, you can take a look. We'll go through one by one these links. Okay, so this is a step by step. So the idea of drawing a perpendicular bisector, okay, we have 2 points A and B, right? Let me see if I can make it bigger, then you all can see easier. Okay, we have A and B. Okay, and then we want to draw the blue dotted line, but we do not know yet how to draw. So come, let's start with this one. So we start with this line first, A and B. Okay, some questions they will specify you must have a certain distance, maybe 10 cm, 15 cm. Okay, up to you. So which depends on the question. So step one, okay, we draw at two sides first. Okay, we do not need to draw the whole thing. We just need to draw a portion of the circle. Okay, so the idea is we need to have two circles. Okay, so if you remember your loci, okay, the circles will be all this equal distance. Similarly, do not change the width of the compass. I draw the other side, and then I just need to connect two dots. Okay, if this is a bit too blur, if you are too blur for this, okay, I have another one that can help you. Okay, so we start with this. Okay, now if you notice at this point, uh, it is more than half. So you need to remember it is more than half. Now this orange line is a must. In exam, if you do not show this, you might lose marks. Okay, so you need to show these few lines. This is what we call the working line. Okay, so you notice or not these two crosses. Okay, this is how you show your working. So if don't have this one, GG for you. Too bad, we might minus mark straight away. Gone. Okay, next, by marking the center of each, then we use a ruler, we draw a line. Okay, now I also have this one. Okay, this one easier to see also. You can see step by step. Okay, so firstly we have okay, you can draw however big the line, or that up to you. Even if you want to do this way also can, no problem. Okay, so firstly we need to construct the congruent circle first. Okay, now if you draw it, if the circle is too small, yeah, let me bring it closer. Okay, if the circle is too small, do you think you can draw? No. Okay, so the circle must be big enough. All right, it must be more than half. Then we need to mark the intersection. So we mark the intersection. Okay, P and Q. Then we draw the line PQ. And where's the midpoint? Will be here. Okay, so this is how perpendicular bisector works, right? So when you start with the classwork, okay, you can try this one. All right, make sure you use your print screen this section only. Okay, by the time you finish, should have 6 questions, and then we can see your score. All right, now unfortunately you can only try once. Okay, so yeah, unless you want to pay lah, which is up to yourself. Okay, how to use this is you have to select all the points, circles, all that to click inside lah. Okay, if you're not sure, you can always ask your teacher for help. All right, now during your exercise, okay, you might find it difficult to if you don't have your compass or protractor with you. Okay, don't worry, I can teach you how to use this construction tool. All right, so let's say in my I ask you to draw 10 cm. I mean, draw a 10 cm line first. Okay, 10 cm. All right, 10 cm line. Okay, this one the ruler can go away already. Okay, then I want to, oh wait, Yeah, doesn't matter, just go away. Okay, then I want to draw the perpendicular bisector. Now if you notice, this is A, this is B, right? Here we are. Okay, this is A, this is B. So first thing first, if you notice, if I click here, I get to move it around. Okay, so I click here, and then when I click this side, the pencil, I get to adjust how wide it is. Okay, so we want it to be wider than normal. Okay, then in order to avoid all kind of movement, we click this one, lock. Don't want it to move any more. If you notice, like that, see, no more moving. Okay, so we go to the top, we click on this black part. Okay, so that you can draw. Notice that. Okay, then we go to oops, Ferris wheel. Okay, click here, then we draw here also. After that, oops, we move it to this side. Okay, go to here, then we draw. Oh no, then here. Okay, it's not gonna be easy, just but at least you have no excuse now lah. Okay, so I have this one already. Okay, I can get rid of this. And then I need to, now how do I, like that. Okay, so you have to click to the end, at the end there near the one, and then try to adjust lah. Okay, then after, maybe you can just draw a line to here to, no, yeah, let's try here to here. Okay, use this one. All right. Okay, thank you.